Yeah. Good evening, guys. Everyone, please check your audio and video. Online students. Yeah. Yesterday I was talking about three concepts. One is soft deletion. Then how to work with the server managed connection pool. And I think we have completed what? Error pages, global error pages configuration. And when you most important thing is we understood how that default white label error page is coming, right? Today, we will make our application dealing with pagination, web-based pagination, right? Already we have discussed something about paging and sorting repository long back. Okay, but that I want to implement in web application level with proper hyperlinks and numbering. If 10 pages are there, 10 numbers with as hyperlinks, as we see in the Google, right? That I want to do it. Okay, now listen. For that, we have to call find all method with pageable object. Pageable object is the most important object here. That pageable object contains two details. One is requested page number, then page size. Page size means per page how many records you want. Okay, next what? Requested page number. Are you looking for first page or second page or third page or whatever it is. But this page number index is zero based index or not there. This page number index is what? Zero based. Page size is, it's an one based only. 10 means 10 records. 20 means 20. Page number 0 means first page. Page number 3 means fourth page. Page number 10 means it is 11th page. Right? The very, very good news from, Spring MVC is, along with the request, if we can pass page and size as the additional request parameter values. What values? Additional request parameter value. It will create pageable object automatically. You need not to create pageable object separately. Who can create dispatcher servlet and can pass it as argument to value to handler method. So biggest headache of creating pageable object is not yours. It is the headache of what? Dispatcher servlet. That too by seeing what? Page and size. Size will hold page size. Page will hold page number. All right. So you just take handler method parameter as what? Pageable type parameter and send these two additional request parameter along with the request. Pageable object will be created automatically or not there. It's a seriously good note, right? Okay, now listen. In that, suppose page is missing, size is missing, nothing to worry. We can tell to dispatcher servlet, you create pageable object having default page size we are mentioning, having default page number we are mentioning. So that means if at all they are not coming also, we can set default values. So why are they have given that option? See, once pagination started, we click on 1, 2, 3 numbers or next previous link. Along with that, definitely we send page number and page size. But when you click on first hyperlink, generate report, that time we don't send page number and page size, right? That time, the default page number 0, the default page size, whatever you want, that should be continued or not there. The default page number 0, the default page size, whatever you want, that should be continued or not there. Say something, guys. Got the point or not there? That's why we have a annotation called @pageable default. Taking default values of page and size and some other thing in order to create pageable object. Size and page officially coming along with the request, using them pageable object is created. Not coming anyhow in default, @pageable default, you are passing default values, using them pageable object will be created. Interesting or not there? So just keep in mind, what is the mind? Find all pageable object we have to call, but you need not to create pageable object manually. If you take it as parameter of handler method, dispatcher servlet creates by using page and size additional request parameter value. If they are not coming, also it is capable of creating pageable object by collecting default values given in what? At the rate pageable default annotation that is placed just before the parameter. If you give using them pageable object. If you don't give using default value, the pageable object will be created. Interesting or not there? Remaining all are regular stories. We have to extend from paging and sorting repository. But if you are extending from JPA repository, automatically it extends from what? Paging and sorting repository. Do I need to extend separately from paging and sorting repository, guys? No. Okay. First, let me switch the workspace. Hey, who closed Eclipse, ra? Fine. Where is the batch code? 718. Rajesh Nayak. This is not social media hitting by mistake. Who written what they written, ra? For high only you will say like that, huh? Okay, fine. Still, that is good. That's really good because there's no need of saying hi to anyone, right? Okay. Imran Sheikh, people are so serious, understand their seriousness. Okay. Rajesh Naik, don't be that much frustration. Take it easy. I thought some blunder happened. Okay. Yeah, that's there, guys. Yeah, this one. Yeah, let me open the document. File, open, Spring 718, Spring Boot MVC. 12 extension is over, 13 also completed. 14, yeah, 14 I'll come to that. 14, 15 we'll discuss that. Let's focus on 16, pagination. Yeah, remind me, I have to cover 14 and 15. That is related to internationalization, we will discuss. Yeah, long back you studied about this paging and sorting repository. Little revision I have done. Page T, find all, pageable. This method takes page number, 0 page size as inputs in the form of what? Pageable object and returns what, guys? Output as page T or slice T object having requested page record, pages count, current page number, total records and etc. That means metadata also comes. See, I am giving pageable as the input, having page number and page size. Find all method which is implemented in memory proxy class talks to the database, gets requested page, requested number records in the form of page object and gives the page object. Fine. This is regular one now, guys. If total records count is 20, page size is 5, then 20 records will be divided into 4 pages. 20 by 4. And if you ask third page, indirectly fourth page, then we will get 16 to 20 records or not. If you ask second page, indirectly third page, you will get 11 to 15 records or not. But how to create pageable object, guys? Page request dot of 2 comma 5. This is page number, indirectly third. This is page size. Pageable object can have both paging and sorting information also if needed. But this is basic theory, guys. But now come to with respect to Spring Boot MVC. Dispatcher servlet can prepare pageable object, can give as what? Handler method argument value. If the parameter type is what? Pageable. Point number one. Take the handler method parameter type as pageable. In this process, it prepares pageable object having page number, page size gathered from what? Request parameter, page comma size. Not page numbers, page size. Just page and size. We can give default page number, page size to the pageable object of handler method parameter using @pageable default annotation as shown below. Check it out. This is the handler method now. Show employee report. This is pageable. Okay, if size and page come, this will be prepared having them. If not come, what's the default size? So size is 3, worst fellows. Default size is what? 3. What's the default page number? 0. On which property you want to sort? Job. On which direction you want to sort? Ascent. These are the default value that will be set or not there. These are the default value that will be set or not there, guys. Page number, page size, sorting by direction. Okay, that's good. Map. See, these default values will apply only when same parameters are not coming along with the request. Actually, very useful for the first page to come. Second page onwards, anyhow we click on one or other hyperlink, this hyperlink will send size and page number, right? But when I get the first page, we click on just generate report. At that time, come on, default page number, default page size should be there or not there? Default page number, default page size should be there or not there, guys? Yeah, steps for coding. Keep the existing mini project ready. This hangama we will do, okay? I think you understood, guys. Yeah, what's the basic story to follow, guys? Pageable object is required in find all method, but you need not to create. It can be taken as handler method parameter. How it will be created? Based on page and size additional request parameter. If they are not there, can we pass default values? Yes. What are those default values? Page 0, size, page and size. Along with that, we can also mention sort and directions or not, guys? Super. We will take our existing mini project. Okay, already generate report without pagination is there. So I will add one more hyperlink, okay, report with pagination. But to fill the pagination, minimum 10-20 records are required. With the 2-3 records, what will fill as a pagination? So that's why we'll go to our Oracle table. We'll try to add some dummy records. Because minimum 3 page size we try to take also. At least 4-5 pages means 10-20 records. 10-15 records are minimum required or not there? Definitely 10-15 records are required. So let's focus on getting those records first. I hope you understood this weekend plan. What was this weekend plan? Saturday 9 a.m. Saturday 9 a.m., Saturday 7 p.m. and Sunday morning 7:15 a.m. we are going to complete Spring Security plus OAuth 2.x discussions, right? Yeah. Did I complete discussion on how to interact with multiple database softwares by using Spring Data JPA? Did I complete it? Okay, fine. I'll remind me I have to take that topic also as a common topic. Project Explorer, boot MVC pros, mini project soft deletion. I don't take all this stuff. Okay, let's keep everything, no problem. Soft deletion, hard deletion, that really does not matter now. Copy this, paste it. What is there? 12 mini project pagination. Mini project pagination. Right click, properties, right click, what is there? Properties, web project settings, tell me. Mini project, what is there? Pagination. Apply, okay, apply and close. Okay. Yeah, fine, Rabab, I'll share. This is a mini project, this one, pagination. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you need not to add the jars separately, guys. Is there any need of adding jars separately, guys? No. This is my pom.xml. This is my what? Pom.xml. This is my application.properties. Yeah, 12 mini project. Fine. Yes, guys. Done. But before I'm modifying this code and other stuff, open SQL developer. Let's add some records first. Minimum 10 to 12 records we'll try to take. This is my connection one, system tiger. Say okay. Here are my tables. What is there, guys? JPA underscore MP underscore. JPA underscore MP underscore. JPA underscore MP underscore employee. JPA underscore MP underscore employee. Okay, that's fine. Great. Oh, I think we got already 11 record. That's a good news, right? Yes. Okay. In that one, 2 inactive records are there. Huh? Okay. Fine. So 11, 12. I think there is no need of adding more records, guys. Enough. If you take page size 3 also, you will get 3 pages. That's good. Okay. So records count wise, we don't have any issue. We are happy with that. Okay. Now, the question is, we have to improvise the code. I don't disturb the existing report. Let it be. I will add one more hyperlink only for pagination. I'll add one more hyperlink only for what? Pagination. Here is SRC, main, web app, WebINF, pages. Here is welcome.jsp. Okay. BR. Here is what? Center opening and what? Closing. href report, SRC, images slash Pays underscore report. Generate report having pagination. Generate report having what? Pagination. That's great, my dear. Okay. Now, go to controller class, guys. But first of all, we'll start from backside. Go to service, I employee management service. I don't disturb anything of it. Let it be, boss. Here I will take one additional method. Yeah, I think it should not be list because we are going to use the trouble. It is going to be what? A trouble. Employee VO. Employee VO. Show employees by pagination. What's the parameter I am taking? Pageable. Parameter that I need to take is pageable. Yeah, it's interface pageable only. Okay. Yeah, pageable object means it's the object of a class that implement pageable interface. Go for implementation of the method, guys. Go for implementation of method, guys. Yeah, here is my what? Use repo. What's there? Use repository. What's the option we are having, guys? Okay, use repository, right? Yes. Okay, now here, use repository. Tell me, what is the repository I have to use? Okay, I think I'm not expecting a trouble, guys. I'm expecting page object. Page object. Here is what? Page employee view. No, I think I have imported wrong page, guys. Wrong. Spring related page I have to import now, guys. Yeah, go for implementation here. Here is what? Page employee VO. Go for what? Page M. Wrong one. Yeah, where is this? Huh? What is there? Hibernate query page. Show employees by pagination. Yeah, what's the problem? Incompatible. Go to service type. Page employee VO. Okay, fine. What's the problem, guys? Pageable. Return type is okay, na? Page employee view. Return type is what? Page employee view. Save this. Maybe not saved. Fine. Leave it. Okay. Basically, we get a page object with entity objects, but we need page object with what? VO. So some conversion is required here or not there? Yeah. Tell me here, what is the one I have to do? pays employee entity. What is there? Pays entity is equal to, okay, EMP repo dot find all payable. Right. Convert pays entity object to, what is there? Pays entity object, 1 minute. Pays employee entity object to, yeah, what is there? Pays employee VO object. Pays employee entity object to pays employee VO object. Everyone getting my point? Yeah. How to convert? That's a built-in question, because it's not copying one list to another list. It's a different concept, right? Yeah. So we should know how to create that pays object first. Right. Okay. Now listen. Pays employee VO. Pays VO is equal to. Okay, guys. Now we have something called pays IMPL. Is there or not there? It is expecting list T. What is the elements you want to have? That one. Payable means already there. We will pass it. What is total? The total amount of items available. The total might be adapted considering what? Length of the content given. If it is going to be content of the last page, in this place, mitigate inconsistencies. Something they said, but we are not understanding. Okay. The total amount of items available. The total might be adapted considering length of the content given. Okay. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. They want number of record that current page is having, right? Okay, fine. So total, where is this page IMPL, page IMPL, employee VO IMPL. Yeah, but the problem is here we want to pass VO, but what we got is list entity. So first of all, you have to convert into list a VO, list entities to list VO are not there. Okay. Get list employee entity object. This is difficult part, guys. From what is there? Pays entity. Very simple, guys. List employee entity. List entities is equal to, okay, pays entity dot get content. Pays entity dot get content. Okay, next. Convert. What is there? Convert list entities to list VO object. Right? Okay, that's good. List employee VO. List VO is equal to new array list of. New array list of. Tell me. List entities dot for each. What is there? Entity. List entities dot for each entity. Tell me. Employee VO is equal to new employee VO. Employee VO is equal to new employee VO. That's good. Tell me. Butils dot copy property. Butils dot copy property. Tell me. What is the source, guys? Entity. What is the destination, guys? VO. Butils dot copy properties. Source is entity. Destination is what? VO. Yeah, tell me, boss. List VO dot add. What is there, VO? List VO. Huh? I did not get you. Gross salary, net salary. You want, no, in the report, are you printing gross salary, net salary? Okay, fine. If you are printing, you have to calculate. No option. Fine. Okay. So before copying here, where is this? Yeah, first copy, then you calculate gross salary, net salary. Are we displaying gross salary, net salary in the report? Okay, maybe you are printing. Okay. VO dot set gross salary. VO dot get salary plus VO dot get salary into point 0.5. 50% of this one. VO dot set net salary. VO dot get gross salary minus VO dot get gross salary into, okay, 30%. What percent, guys? 30%. We got it, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yes, guys. Tell me. This is VO object. This is what? Copy properties. This is gross salary. This is what? Net salary. This is net salary. Pays employee VO, pays VO. Yeah, we got list of VO objects, guys. We got list of VO. Here, what is the one I have to pass? List VO. Paysable object as it is, right? Paysable object as it is. Okay, here, what you have to pass is total how many records are there that we have to pass. I think that I can get by calling page report dot count method, my dear. Page report dot count method, I can get it now, my dear. 1 minute. We'll try to understand that again one more time. What does it mean? Which total it is talking about? Long total. The total amount of items available. Total might be adopted. Total item number of items that are. Maybe it is asking total number of records only. So what is the one I have to say, guys? Page repo dot count. It's not page repo. It is what? EMP repo dot count. Yeah, if not working, we'll change it. What is there in that? Okay. It is returning page VO object or not. I think you got the clarity what's happening here. Pageable object somehow comes from controller class. Leave it. How to create it? That's their headache. Okay, let us assume we got it. Having page number and page size. That gives me page object of the requested page. Okay, guys, they give me page object of requested page, but having entity objects. But we are converting that one into what? VO object, page VO object, having gross salary, net salary. Then, okay, we need page VO because we don't need page entities. We need page VO. So we are creating page VO object manually by passing required information or not there. So ultimately, requested page VO records are coming here. Requested page VO records are, that means employee VO records are coming here. That's good. Now we have to go to controller class method here now, boss. Where is controller class? Sir, you are not changing repository to paging sorting repository, not required. JPA repository extends from what? Paging and sorting. That's why I'm able to call that method there. Okay. So I'm taking employee report. I'm taking report, guys. Public string show report by pagination. Show report by pagination. Anyhow, you take shared memory as usually. That shared memory we take as usually. Yeah, where is this object? What is their map? In that, tell me, in that, at the rate payable default, we'll fill up the default values later. First of all, payable. Which payable? Yeah, this payable. Payable. Okay, next, at the rate get mapping slash pays underscore report. At the rate get mapping pays underscore report. We are getting pays underscore report or not there, guys? Yes. At the rate get mapping slash pays report. Yes, guys. Show report by pagination map. Yeah, default values. See, guys, when you click on generate report by pagination, it is not sending any page number, page size. So we should have some default values now, boss. Page is equal to 0. That means first page should come. Size is equal to 3. Yeah, this is going to be fixed size for entire pagination, right? So that's a be careful whatever you are deciding here. Because generally page size, we don't allow to change dynamically. Okay, this one. Next, based on which property you want to sort the record. You don't want to sort, leave it. Okay, in our entity class, there are so many properties. In our entity class, there are what? So many properties. I think I can sort by designation or not there. I think I can sort the records by designation. Yes. Next, direction. Okay. Sort dot, direction dot. Okay, ascending order only. What order only, guys? Ascending order only. Okay, guys. Ascending order only. Are you getting my point there, guys? I'll get the records in what, guys? Ascending order. Pageable. At the rate pageable default. Page 0, size 3, sort designation. Direction is equal to sort dot direction dot this. Yes, boss. Okay, we got the pageable object shared memory. Okay. Use service. Here we need to use service class method or not there. Here we definitely need to use what? Service class method. So now let's see how to use this service class method, my dear. Okay, now let's see how to use this service class method. Page employee VO. What is there? Page VO. Page employee VO. Page VO. EMP service dot. Okay, show employees by pagination placeable. I think small spell mistake happened. Employees. Here also employees. Not sounding good, nothing else. Yeah, employee operation. Employees by pagination. Control plus shift plus O. Where is this? Domain dot page. What dot page, guys? Domain dot page. Page employee VO, page VO, EMP service dot. Show employees by page nation. Are you getting my point there? Show employees by page nation. Tell me. After that, what is the next one, guys? We have to keep them in shared memory or not there. See, by seeing this one and all this stuff, pageable object I created, dispatcher servlet create. I don't create. It will be created automatically by whom? Dispatch. Keep the result in the shared memory. Keep the result in shared memory. Map dot put. What dot put, guys? Map dot put. Page data, if not some. Okay. This is what? Page VO. Written LVN. What's there, guys? Written LVN. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Page data, page VO. Tell me, written, what is there? Show underscore, page underscore report. I'm trying to take a other logical view name because I don't want to disturb the existing page. I want to take other one. So this is the actual requirement or not there. Fine, that's great. Okay. So page underscore report, all this stuff is happening, guys. So now I have to develop this show underscore page underscore report or not there. Already some page is there. File, what is there? Save as show underscore page underscore report. Report page by page nation. Report page by page nation. We're trying to get the report page by page nation or not there. We are definitely trying to get the report page by page nation or not there. Okay, that's good. Yeah, report page by page nation. C colon choose. C colon when test, not empty EMP list. No more EMP list, guys. It is page data. What's the model attribute name? The model attribute name is page data, right? Yes. Okay, that's good. Model attribute name is page data. So at the top of the page, I want to write a message. Out of these many pages, we are displaying current page. Current page, this so and so page data, right? Okay. H1 or H2, whatever it is. Style, color colon red or color colon green. What is next? Text hyphen align center. What happens? Align center, guys. Text hyphen. Employees information. Employees information of. Employee information of. Tell me. Employees information of. Yeah, what is the page number, guys? Employees information of H2 style, color colon green, text hyphen align center, employees information of, wait a minute, dollar flower bracket open closing, what is there? Page data dot, what data dot? Are model attribute is page data na boss, of get number. Are this get number will give me current page number or not there? Are page object methods boss? Get a number. Okay, fine. Then what is there? Slash as it is. For display purpose, slash as it is. Tell me next one. Dollar page data dot get total pages are not there. You have to call the method. Stacker. Yeah, expression language I'm using now, boss. Say paste. Page data dot get total pages. What pages? Get total pages. Indirectly, I'm calling all these methods on what, guys? Yeah, I'm calling all these things on what? Page object. All these are the methods of page object are not there. Okay, fine. We are printing them. EMP. Here, what is there? Page data. Page data dot get content or only page data also fine. Page data also fine, guys. Yes. Okay. Now here these are regular ones. These are regular ones. Otherwise records not found. Okay. Result message and add employee. All this stuff we don't change, guys. Only okay. We are trying to get the data from what? Page data. Okay. Let's see. All these are the methods. Okay. Still coding is not over. Whether first page is coming properly or not, I want to check. Okay, in welcome.jsp, no, we are using page underscore report only. Acha, we have not copied. Right, right. I think here I have to change it. I should change here. I thought this is the request path. This is same JSP. If you want, you can change image also. That's up to you. Page underscore report. Let's see whether first page records are coming properly or not. Right click, run on server, Tomcat, remove all, finish, okay. Generate report having pagination. Oh, some problem has come. SQL command is not terminated properly. I'll tell the reason. I will tell the reason. Okay. No, this is actually expected only. Mistake is mine. Right now I'm using Oracle 11G and Spring Data JPA 3.x. 3.x is generating Oracle query that is according to 19C. 19C query. But that 19C query will not work in what? 11G. Its mistake is mine. I have to upgrade the Oracle or I have to downgrade the Spring Boot version. That's why it's saying query not working. Check it out. Console you observe. Console you observe, guys. It's simply saying query not working. Command not ended properly. So whatever this rows only, these commands are not working in 11G. This problem is not there in what? MySQL. So, but I hope same data is there in MySQL. Hope there or not there? There or not there? Is there? Not there. Either I have to change to Oracle 19C, then it will work. I think some people have done pagination example in Oracle. You have a 19C or what latest version, it's working or not working? 17, whatever it is. This is the version compatibility issue. It is generating latest Oracle version query, but right now I have 11G. That's why the query is not executing. But right now I cannot upgrade Oracle just like that. Okay. So I actually have to, no option. I have to change to what? Database software. But the problem is in MySQL table is not ready. But no problem. What we can do is we run the same project. Empty table is created. First empty report will come. We'll try to add more and more employees. We'll make sure that some data is coming there. Let's start running the project to create the data. Later we worry about what? Pagination. But this time I want to see application pointing to MySQL. But first of all, let me make sure that MySQL driver is added or not added. Not added, added. Not added. Added, my dear? Unfortunately, not added. Okay, fine, no problem. Go to the project. Yeah. Let me add MySQL driver. Yeah, where is this? Spring. Tell me. Add starters. Add starter. MySQL driver. Say next. Pom.xml. Save finish. Pom.xml. Save finish. Show underscore page underscore report.js. Show underscore page underscore report dot. Okay. Right now we are not bothered about report. Let's make this application pointing to MySQL so that, oh, it is using server managed connection pool. Oh, fine. Fine. Okay. Yeah, right now server managed connection pool is not important. Let's make this application dealing with what? Okay, Arakil dialect, all this stuff. Okay, let's make this application pointing to MySQL. Go to any other project. Any other project, resources, application.properties, MySQL driver details. Okay, 78 dB root. 78 dB root. Yeah, here is what? Copy this, paste it. Yeah, here is what? MySQL 8 dialect. MySQL 8 dialect. MySQL 8 dialect. That's great. Boot data JPA Prostel calling PL SQL procedure MySQL. Close all editors. Right click, guys. Okay, not this, not this. Java resources, application.properties. MySQL 8, that's good. Fine. Yeah, tell me next. Mini project pagination. Run on server. Say next. Save finish. Say next, save finish. Table is created, generate report, that will be empty report, I know that. Add employee, let's insert few record fastly. Sonia 1, captain, no, register him. Add employee, Suresh, clerk, some number. Add employee, Karan, captain, this, register him. Add employee, Karan, captain, this, register employee. Next, Chari, batsman, अरे something रहा बाबू. Okay, right. Miller, something रहा guys. Okay, fine. Miller 1, clerk. Huh? What's happening? Yes, guys. Ramesh, manager, register employee. Register employee. Kumar, clerk, register. Some records have come, yes? Yes, let's go back to the home page. Yeah, generate report having pagination. Okay, still exception came. Don't know how to iterate over supplied data items. Supplied data items. It's saying that some problem in the for loop. Some problem in the for loop. Okay. Yeah, it's saying page data is nothing. You have to get the list collection. So that list collection come when you call get content only, na my dear. Get content will give list collection. This will page data only, right? Okay, fine. Sometimes changes will not be recognized automatically. Project, clean it, fine. Right click, run on server, say this, save finish. Yes. So 1 by 4 is coming or not? First page, total 4 pages. Because 3 na? 11 records are there. Okay, 11 by 3 means what? 3 plus something. But actually fourth page. Fourth page, 4 records. So first page records are coming or not? They are sorted by designation. They are sorted by designation. Okay, that's good. But now below this, I want to get the numbers. So total 4 pages are there na? 1, 2, 3, 4 as hyperlinks. This is my next requirement, right? Shall we see that? Yeah. At the end of the table, we need to get those hyperlinks are not there. Focus. Busy in discussions, huh? I think after a long time I am seeing full strength of Gulab gang. One missing, huh? Okay. They accepted they are Gulab gang. Right. Okay. Hmm. Right. Okay, fine. Where is this? Center. Close center. Center opening and what? Closing. There, center opening and what? Closing. There, what is the story to follow, guys? The story that we have to follow is we have to get them in center, right? And we need to get numbers. You have to start a for loop starting with 1 or not there. Yeah. C colon for each. C colon for each. Tell me. Where I, tell me. Where I begin with 1. Begin with 1. Yeah, tell me, boss. Begin with 1. End by what? Page size. Total number of pages or not? Dollar. Page data dot get total pages. Page data dot get total pages. Step 1. Step 1 means what? Increment by 1. Step 1 means what? Increment. Array. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. We're getting the traditional for loop effect, boss. Nothing great. Yeah, there what I'm going is A, href. Now tell me, when I click on number 1, what should I send? What should I send? Request to page underscore report request path handler method carrying additional request parameter page holding 0 na 1 na. When I click on 1, it should carry 0. Say something, guys. Display 1, but it should carry what? 0. Because page number is a 0 based index, right? Page size I am not sending because fixed 3 is there. I am happy with that. Because every time page size will not change now, boss. Already we decided to take 3, we'll continue that. Okay, now listen. Ahref page underscore report question mark page is equal to, come on, question mark page is equal to dollar, tell me, I minus 1. How many of you understood? I minus 1. I started with a 0 na, boss. But display purpose still I. Display purpose still I. Okay, within I, that number within the square bracket for better presentation. That is not a syntax. Square brackets are taken for better presentation. Between, along with the number, before displaying other numbers, I want to maintain some gap. NBSP semicolon. That means space will come. I hope you know all this small thing. Okay, space again that. Space again that. Okay, 2 spaces are enough. Are you getting my point, guys? That's good. Okay. Now let us check whether it is working or not. One by one. We don't put all things at once. Take one by one. Mini project pagination, run on server, say next, say finish. Create page having what? Pagination. This is number one. Same page is coming. Number two. Second page is coming. Number three. Third page is coming. Number four. Fourth page is coming, my dear. Okay, that's good. But why those underscores are coming extra? Ra? Why so? Why so? They are NBSP semicolon. NBSP semicolon. Why those under anchor tag na? Oh, understood. See, anchor tag, what happened? Anything you will come as what? This. So what should I do? Keep the spaces, but after anchor tag you keep. Keep the spaces, but you keep what? After anchor. So that spaces won't look like a anchor. Spaces won't look like a hyperlink. That's a small change. Okay, still this gap. Yeah, these stupid presentations. Refresh. Fine. So now I have one more requirement. When I'm in first page, it should not display first hyperlink. Because I'm in first again clicking on first. Is there any sense in that? When I'm in last page, it should not display last page. Come on, guys. Are you getting my point there? When I'm first page, it should not display first hyperlink. When I'm in last page, it should not display what? In which page I am? Okay, that's become more difficult. Huh? Okay, when I'm first page, it should not display what? First hyperlink. When I'm last page, it should not display what? Last hyperlink. Tell me idea, what should I do? Give me some idea, guys. Tell me. Break. You'll break for loops, huh? How can you break for loops, my dear? Okay. So we'll keep that one aside. Okay. We'll keep that one aside. We'll come to that later. Shall we go for adding first, last, previous, next hyperlinks? You have to think about adding them or not there. First means first page should come. Last means last page should come. Right? Yeah. So before this for loop, in the center only, I will try to add what? One hyperlink first, then next. Next means when I click on next, current page, next page should come, right? href. What is there? href page underscore report. href page underscore report question mark I'm very sure page is equal to 0. Here, what is the hyperlink? First. Then some space NBSP semicolon. What colon, guys? NBSP semicolon. That's great. Next, page underscore report. Next hyperlink should come, right? Okay. Tell me. Current page number plus 1. That's what, na boss? Current page number plus 1. Dollar, floor bracket open. Page data dot get number plus 1. Yeah, what is this, guys? Next. This is first. This is what? Next. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Okay. These two things are coming, boss. Next one. Last one. Last one means what? Dollar page data dot. What data dot? Page data dot get total pages. Page data dot get pay total pages. This is going to be last page. Okay. Now, okay, I'll put previous before last, guys. I'll put previous before last. Yeah, tell me. Page underscore report. Page data dot get number minus 1. Current number minus 1. Here is what? Previous. Here is my previous. Okay. Let's see what's happening there. Right click. Tell me. Run on server. This. Yeah. First, next, previous, last. First page. Next page. Second, third, fourth. Next, fifth. Next, sixth. This is wrong. This is wrong or not there? Okay. Last page. This is again wrong, right? Okay, actually last page means fourth page should come. But it is giving me what? Fifth page, right? Okay, total pages minus 1. Total pages minus 1. Refresh, guys. Okay, report. Yeah, click on last 4 by 4. Previous. Right. Okay, 1 by 4. It is not responding. But when it comes to next, what's happening? It is still going for what? Next. And that is even disturbing what? Okay, now last page is perfect, guys. But remaining things are disturbed or not there. So what I can do is, when you are in first page, don't display first hyperlink, this one. When you are in last page, don't display last hyperlink. When you are in last page, don't display next hyperlink. When you are in first page, don't display previous hyperlink. You have to improvise. Right? Come here. So first concentrate on first. How to check whether you are in first page or not? C colon if test is equal to dollar floor bracket page data. What is there? Is first. But I have to check is not is first. If it is not already there in first record, then only first should come. Come on, guys. Right. Next. C colon if test dollar floor bracket opening and closing. Page data. What is there? Is next. What is there? Is next. Yeah, tell me. If it is not already there in what? If it is not already there in what? Next record. Are you getting my point there or not there? If it is not already there in what? Next record. Yeah. AHRF, page underscore report, page data get number minus 1. Page data get number, 1 minute, that is right, plus 1 only. Okay, now listen guys, here I don't say is next. There is a method called has next. Has next returns true only when there is a next record. If there is a next record, then only next hyperlink should display. If there is no next record, next hyperlink should not display. Fine. Okay, same thing is applicable for previous also. Copy this. Page data, tell me, has previous. Page data has previous. Page data dot has previous. Yeah, tell me. Page data dot get. Page data dot get. Number minus 1. That's good. Okay, last page will come if you are not already there in what? Last. C colon if test is equal to dollar floor bracket open. What is there? Page data dot. What data dot? Page data dot. Is last? No, not is last. Already we are not there in the last page. Then only this last page should come. Then only this last page should come. Check it out, guys. If not there in last page, last hyperlink. There is a previous page, then only previous hyperlink. I'm checking some conditions like that, my dear. Okay. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Generate report with what? Pagination. We are already in the first page. There is no first hyperlink. There is no previous page for the first page. That's why there is no previous hyperlink. Come on. Next. Next means what? Second page. Second page is having previous page, next page, first and last are also applicable. Okay. Already we are in the last page. There is no next page for last page. That's why it is not coming. But there is a previous page, there is a first page to come. So things are happening as expected or not, guys? Right? Okay. First, last. Okay. You click on any number. Accordingly, hyperlinks are displayed or not. Okay, that's good. Now, in which page we are, that page number should not be displayed as hyperlink. Actually, that is a stupid requirement. In Google also such requirement is not there because it kills overall presentation. Because the person who observes one page is missing feeling. Actually, if only for knowledge sake we have to implement it, guys. Actually, that's not a great thing. Hiding first next is good, but missing one number in the sequence of number looks like some page number is missing, right? It gives wrong signal to end user, right? But as a requirement sake, I am trying to do that. For the sake of what? Requirement, I am trying to do that. Yeah. In the for loop, you display hyperlink only if the current page and I value is not matching. Okay, na? Super. Go to where is the hyperlink? Here is the hyperlink display story. Before displaying, tell me, if C colon if test dollar page dot get number plus one, current page number plus one. Okay. Current page number plus one equal to, what is there? Sorry, not equal to. If it is not equal to I value. What value, guys? I value. If it is not equal to I, then only display it. Otherwise, don't display. Okay. Convinced or still fighting? There's no big logic, Rabab. Before displaying one, make sure that, okay, current page number is not one. Before displaying two, make sure that current page number is not two. Come on, guys. Current page number plus one, because it always gives by zero. That's why I'm saying plus one. I hope bulb glowing. Right click. What is there? Run on server. Say next. These are the requirements in industry after joining. Nothing will be there. Maybe report data may be different, but the common operations are these only, na? See, a lot of satisfaction is coming while learning the subject are not there. That's good. No numbers. Other numbers are missing. What about remaining numbers? Achha, whenever I changes, this changes. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Let me click. Oh, no numbers are coming. All numbers are missing. You have to check with one. See, first page number is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. I value what? 1. 1 is not equal to 1 should not be displayed. No, 1 minute. But the for loop continues, na boss. The for loop continues. But page number is not changed, right? But why it is missing all numbers? That's the question. Ah, ah. No, yaar. Page number will not change. Na? Page number is always page number. In first page number is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. 1 not equal to 1 not equal to 1. 1 is not displayed. Okay. 2 not equal to. No. This is still 1. 1 not equal to 2. Okay. Because the condition is wrong then. We have to miss only that number, not all the numbers, right? And then what is the condition we should write? No. 1 not equal to 1 minute. No, if I write equal to, what happens? If matching, then only it will display. Always will display. Better not to write the loop, right? No, there is no else part here. We have to write only what? If condition. No, there is no else part. Okay, 1 minute. First page number 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, here we are checking not equal to I value what? 1. Okay, 1 not equal to 1 is missed. So I plus plus, I value becomes how much? 2. Okay, but page number is still 1. 1 not equal to 2. 1 not equal to 2, right? Condition true, it should be displayed now, boss. Get page number always gives current page number. We- Uh, no, current page number. In one page, for loop repeats 4 times. Why are you forgetting that? In one page, for loop repeats how many times? Acha. Now check it out, Ra. Here we are displaying what? Get page data dot get number. So that always giving 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, right? As long as we are in that page, it will give same 0 only, na? Yes, logic is right, but why it is not satisfying, I am not getting. Not equal to I. Not equal to I. Is it expecting no. I think something is going wrong. Let me print it first of all. No, our logic is right, guys. Logic is right. Maybe this I is not taking properly, I feel. Like this. Not page number, get number plus 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see in different angle. Maybe the expression what we are thinking and what is taking is not matching. Run on server, guys. Say next. Say finish. Maybe it is not taking I value. It is taking I as a constant. Something is there. Thought is right, but implementation wise problem is coming. No, it is saying that expression is wrong. Expression itself wrong. Cannot convert 2 type to what? Number. Okay, it's taking as Boolean type as what? Number. Okay, this is wrong expression. Page dot get number plus 1. 1 minute. Page dot get number plus 1. Okay, not equal to this. Is it expecting I should be taken within flower bracket? Is it expecting that I should be taken within flower bracket? Multiple annotations found, encountered, open, closing. No, it is not allowing to put. No, not curly braces, guys. Save it. No, I just want to print here. What is happening? 1 minute. Dollar page number. Page number plus 1. Dollar page number plus 1. Not equal to I. I just want to print what's coming. Not equal to I. True or false is coming or not coming. Because I feel our thought is right, but expression we are not writing properly. Say next, say finish. Is there any other expression to write not equal to? Function page number not found. Array. It should be 1 minute, 1 minute. I think I have written wrongly. Get page data dot get number. Here also page data dot get number. Maybe right? Page data. Earlier also we used page only. Page data na. Oh, I think that's a mistake. Then I got it. Yeah, I think problem is solved. Earlier also I used page. Sure? Ah? Okay, then we got the solution for the page data. It should be page data. Our focus is on get number, not on what page data. Yeah, 1 minute. True, true, false, false. First false, then true, true. Yeah, it's working then. Okay, forget about this. Same condition is there. Okay, now asking to display numbers, right? Asking to display numbers. Because first false, then true, true. When true, 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 these numbers should be displayed or not there. Okay, checking our patience. Let's see. Run on server, say next, say finish. Page data dot get number not equal to I. Who is coming, but still followed data is not printed. It's giving false. Okay. True, true has come. So when expression is true, the for loop should display the data, na boss. The for loop actually should display the data or not there. Hey, why it is behaving like this, guys? 1 minute, 1 minute. Here is the problem. This is extra floor bracket. Extra floor bracket is there. Yeah, this open, closing, right? Anything else is required? Not required. Yeah, maybe that could be the reason of that. Run on server. Yeah, it should work. Very interesting. Why those numbers are not printing? Ah, no. Plus one I have. How can I remove? Because page number always zero based, na? No, that's not a big issue. This is very surprising, guys. Very surprising. When I put the expression, it's working. No, when I put the expression outside, it's giving true, true, false, false. But when I same thing over here, it's not happening. Clean the project once. Clean the project once. Sometime the changes, we think we have given changes, but it won't take the changes. Floor bracket opening and what? Closing. Its condition is happily happening. Okay. I think from our side, no problem. Now, Eclipse level, some changes are not happening properly. One last time we'll try, guys. Otherwise, we'll take up tomorrow. Where is this? Switch work. No. Restart the workspace. Sometimes what happened? We do changes, but it won't take the changes. Yeah, mini project. What is there? Pagination. Run on server. Say next. Safe finish. What's your run? 5th June. Now it's come. So problem is not from my side. Problem is from what? Eclipse. Sometimes changes won't be taken properly. We are in the first page, first hyperlink has not come. We are in the second page, second hyperlink has not come. We are in the fourth page, fourth hyperlink has not come. First again not coming. Third hyperlink is not coming. So when you believe your code, stick to that. Okay. So that depends upon maturity and experience, right? So when you believe your code is right, then do whatever required to do. Especially when I printed those value true, true, false, false came, that given me confidence. So code is right, but somehow it is not taking correctly. That means sometimes Eclipse maintains the old code. How much we save, it won't take it. Okay, clean project or restart the IDE one. When you restart, everything takes freshly, no old memory. So then solves the problem. This is quite common in the industry practices. Be careful. All you need to do is restarting IDE once. In that process, what happened? We change the logic. So though code is working, we feel code is not working. Be careful about these situations. Be careful about this kind of situation. These are quite common in Eclipse, boss. So don't blame yourself. That's a problem from Eclipse side. I think already 1-2 times we got the same situation. Or first time we are facing. First time? Already faced. Okay. 718. Boot MVC. Mini project page niche. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow.